Hello again, fifth graders. Welcome to day 3 of Reader's Workshop. All right, our goal for today is I can solve the meaning of words in context. I know we've already talked about this once this year, but this is a skill that we want to continually practice. As our reading gets more difficult or more advanced, we want to make sure that you can look for clues in your writing or in your reading to identify or to understand unknown words. Okay, so let's go ahead. I'm going to skip over our phonics work here and go right into reading. And we're going to be reading a leveled text. Okay, so remember, a leveled text, the only place to access these are in Benchmark. Okay, so you start by going to Clever and you choose Benchmark, and we'll have this assigned as one of your assignments in Benchmark. And you can also find it in your library. Okay, so there's 2 different places. And the only thing that you need to do in Benchmark, okay, is to read the article. Or if you choose, you may also listen to it. Okay, but it's called Observing Animals. And we're just doing text 1, excerpts from Pilgrim at Tinker Creek. Okay, excerpt is a new word. I'm wondering if you know what that means. And because we don't have any context here, I'm going to help you out. An excerpt is just a short story or a little bit of information from Pilgrim at Tinker Creek. And on pages 4 through 11. Okay, and as you read, you're going to look for clues to figure out words you don't know. Right? So as you're reading, pay close attention when you reach a word that you don't know. See if there's any clues around it. Last time we mentioned that it can have the word, and then next to it, it could say or and give you a synonym. Or sometimes after the word, the author will give a comma and then tell you what the word means right after. Okay, so make sure you look for those clues while you're reading today. And then when you're done reading, you're going to find these questions in your school or for your Schoology assignment. And they're going to be answered right in your English notebook. Okay, so make sure to title the page in your English notebook. You might write Respond and Write as your title, or you might write Pilgrim Creek as the title of on your page. Okay, so we have a nice collection already of pieces of writing that you've added to your notebook. Okay, but let's see. Okay, so you'll have your title right up on the top line. Okay, and the first question, remember you want to write number 1 right next to that red line. Okay, the red line is the margin. We never write before the red line. We do start writing right after the red line. Okay, and your answers will be in complete sentences here. Okay, and when you're done, you'll have 3 complete answers to these questions about words that you don't know.